Hello and welcome, my name is Jacob Rudge. This is TradeHappy, a platform for traders around the world to be happy and consistently profitable. Today we're going to be talking about 5 income sources related to trading that you can do to diversify your income. The first one is stock trading. It's very similar to trading, of course, depending if you're in Forex trading, but if you're good at Forex trading and you understand economics, you could have a go at stock trading and see if that's something that you could add to diversify your Forex trading income. The next one is very similar to stock trading, but it's stock investing. So longer term trades that you're getting into, you should expect lower returns if you are Forex trading or stock investing, but it's something that you can do passively. And if you've got a dividend portfolio, you could invest for the longer term, 20-30 years, where you get consistent income monthly from dividends. The next one is YouTube and other social media. For example, you could get brand deals or sponsorships, and it's something that you can do that can be on the side whilst trading, that can just help you to bring in some more income and raise the profile of your trading. The next one is to trade options or futures or bonds. Some of these would be longer term and they would require you to learn how to actually trade them, because trading futures and trading options and trading bonds, along with trading stocks and futures, or stocks and Forex, it's very different trading. So you would need to actually learn how to trade each of those, which can take time, but once you've actually learned how to trade them, it can be quite a good idea to diversify your trading income that way. And the final one that isn't really related to trading, but if you understand economics and all that kind of stuff, and you've got the discipline to trade without emotion, you could get into property or real estate. It's something that would require more capital, but if you have the capital available, you could do something like that and possibly do rental properties that can be quite passive if you get a manager to look after those properties for you. So I hope you've enjoyed the video today. It's a very short video. If you did enjoy the video, remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.